I'm sure you've heard the news. Syscon Cronus ERP is taking the Indian manufacturing industry by storm. Syscon Cronus ERP is the ultimate solution for electronics and auto component manufacturing in India. With GST and stringent auditing laws, having an efficient, error-free system is no longer optional. It's essential. Indian manufacturing has unique business flows and statutory requirements. While global ERP systems struggle to fit, Syscon Cronus ERP is tailor-made for our market. No huge customizations, no time overruns, just perfect fitment. We've successfully transitioned over 200 clients, including a global manufacturing giant who swapped their large ERP for Syscon. Why? Because we nail COGS, COGM, US GAAP accounting, and global reporting with ease. Built on Microsoft Azure, Syscon Cronus ERP is available in over 30 countries. Plus, we've developed a robust partner ecosystem for seamless support from pre-sales to post-implementation. Ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Visit us at sysconcronus.com today.